Investing is a powerful tool for growing your wealth and securing your financial future. By learning about stocks, you gain access to opportunities that can help your money work for you over time. Understanding how the stock market operates allows you to make informed decisions, manage risks, and take advantage of long-term growth. Building knowledge in this area is essential for anyone looking to achieve greater financial independence and stability. Stocks represent ownership in a company. When you buy a stock, you purchase a share, which is a small piece of that company. As a shareholder, you have a claim on part of the company's assets and earnings. Stock markets are places where these shares are bought and sold, allowing investors to trade ownership in companies. The value of stocks can go up or down depending on how well the company performs and how much demand there is for its shares. People choose to invest in stocks for several compelling reasons. One of the main attractions is the potential for growth, as stocks can increase in value over time, offering investors the chance to build wealth. Many companies also pay dividends, providing a steady stream of income in addition to any gains from rising stock prices. Additionally, investing in stocks can help individuals keep pace with or even outpace inflation, preserving and enhancing the purchasing power of their money. These factors make stocks a popular option for those looking to achieve long-term financial goals. Understanding the basics of investing is essential for anyone just starting out. One key concept is the balance between risk and reward. Generally, higher potential returns come with greater risks. Diversification is another important principle, which involves spreading investments across different assets to reduce overall risk. Finally, adopting a long-term perspective can help investors ride out market fluctuations and benefit from compound growth over time. Mastering these foundational ideas sets the stage for more informed and confident investment decisions. Getting started with investing begins by opening a brokerage account, which serves as your gateway to the financial markets. Take time to compare different brokers, considering factors like fees, account minimums, and available tools. Once your account is set up, focus on selecting your first investments. Many beginners start with diversified options like index funds or exchange-traded funds, which help spread risk. It's important to avoid common mistakes, such as investing without research, chasing quick profits, or putting all your money into a single stock. By taking a thoughtful and informed approach, you can build a strong foundation for your investment journey. Building your investing confidence takes time, but there are many resources available to support your journey. Consider exploring reputable books, online courses, and financial news outlets to deepen your understanding. Joining investment communities or forums can also provide valuable insights and peer support. Remember, staying informed and continuously learning are key steps toward making more confident investment decisions. Embarking on your investment journey can feel daunting, but taking the first step is often the most important move you can make. Remember, success in investing rarely happens overnight. It requires patience, persistence, and a willingness to learn from both successes and setbacks. Stay curious and continue to educate yourself as markets evolve. Over time, your knowledge and confidence will grow, helping you make more informed decisions. Trust the process and know that every investor starts somewhere.